If you open your Environments tab and an option for Robot Exporter does not show up, your add-in files and DLL files may not be in the right place. One way to fix this is by searching on your computer bxd robotexporter.dll. You should be able to see the search results for the DLL file and the Inventor add-in file, and you'll need both of these files to be moved to different locations for this to work. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the DLL file. Copy the file and move it to the Program File part of the computer. Go to OS Disk, Program Files x86, and look for the Autodesk and Synthesis, and you'll copy and paste it in there. Go back to Documents and Synthesis and Dev Exporter and copy the add-in file. Go to %app data % at the top bar. Then go to App Data Roaming and Autodesk, and then find your current version of Inventor and add-ins and paste that add-in file here. Next, open your robot file in Inventor. Go to Environments and click Begin Robot Exporter. If the Robot Exporter button is still not showing up, go to Add-ins within your Environment menu and select Manage. Sometimes the add-in gets blocked. To fix this, find the BXD Robot Exporter, uncheck Block, and check the Loaded and Unloaded box, and check the Load Automatically box. Then click OK.